Quickly bring 1 liter of water to a rolling boil with this T-fal Balanced Living Cordless Electric Kettle. Perfect for home, office, or travel. The convenient kettle heats water for tea, French press coffee, hot cocoa, instant oatmeal, noodles, and more. The kettle's variable temperature control allows for properly steeping a wide variety of teas, from green to black. Simply adjust the temperature control lever from low to high. Even more. The cordless kettle ensures hassle-free pouring, and with its 360-degree swivel base, you can set the kettle back down on its power source from any angle. Other highlights include a locking lid, a large easy grip handle, automatic shut-off for safety, a water level window for checking water levels at a glance, and a removable anti-scale filter for enhanced performance. Slow down, relax, and enjoy a greater sense of balance with the fast-heating T-fal Balanced Living Electric Cordless Kettle. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 1 liter electric travel kettle with variable temperature control for perfect brewing. Number 2. Cordless design for hassle-free pouring. Convenient 360-degree swivel base. Number 3. Concealed heating element and fast heating system for quickly boiling water. Number 4. Locking lid, automatic shut-off for safety. Water level window, removable anti-scale filter. Number 5. Matte black housing with sleek, modern profile, 1-year limited warranty. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.